Hi, and welcome to the Highline Residential Training Series. In this video, you will learn how to use the Marketing Center to create a branded just listed message and send the just listed message to relevant clients. Start by navigating to the Marketing Center by clicking the Productivity tab on the left menu bar and clicking the Marketing Center page. Use the filters to find all the just listed templates that are available. Once you've found a template you like, click the Use button. When generating this project, you will have to provide the system with a listing ID. You can find the listing ID on your My Ads page. It's found on the ID/ads column. Copy the listing ID and paste it in the listing ID field. Give your project a name and click the Generate Project button. Use the editor to customize the project as necessary. And once you're done, click the Save button, and then click the Back button to go back to the Marketing Center page. Now let's send this project to relevant clients. This is a new listing in Midtown, so I want to email this new listing to all my active Midtown clients. To do so, I'm going to create a lead list on the lead lists page. Click the Create button once you've given your list a name and a description. Now I'm going to navigate to the My Leads page. I'll use the filters on the My Leads page to filter for all leads that are looking in Midtown. I'm specifically interested in only renters. Now I'll select all of these leads and click the Add to Lead List option. I'll add them to the new list I just created. Now navigate back to the Marketing Center page. Click the gear on the project you just created and choose the Email to Lead List option. Give your email a subject. Select the list you would like to email this project to and click the Send button.